In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer from UnionBank to GCash. First, make sure you're signed into your GCash account on your phone and that you have a stable internet connection. Having both apps updated helps prevent errors during the process. With that ready, open the GCash app to get started. From the main GCash dashboard, tap Cash In. This is where you'll see all the ways to add money to your GCash wallet. Next, choose Local Banks. This section lists the partner banks you can use to move funds directly into GCash. If you don't immediately see UnionBank in the list of options, don't worry. That simply means you need to link your UnionBank account first. Follow the on-screen option to link your bank. You'll be guided through a secure authorization process to connect your UnionBank account to GCash. Keep your device nearby and be ready to approve the request, as you may be asked to verify your identity or confirm the link for security. Once the link is successful, return to the Cash In page. Now, select UnionBank from the Local Banks list. You'll be taken to a screen where you can enter the amount you want to transfer. Type in the amount carefully and double-check it before proceeding. You may also be asked to review or provide basic details related to the transfer. Make sure the information matches your UnionBank and GCash accounts to avoid delays. Follow the prompts on your screen to continue. This can include confirming the transaction and authorizing it securely. Take a moment to review everything: the source account, the amount, and any notes that appear. If there are any fees or limits displayed, read them so you know exactly what to expect. After you confirm, wait for the success message. GCash and UnionBank often send notifications, so keep an eye out for in-app confirmations or messages indicating the transfer went through. You can then check your GCash balance to make sure the funds have arrived. Here are a few quick tips as you wrap up. If UnionBank still doesn't appear after linking, refresh the GCash app or sign out and back in. If a transaction doesn't go through, try a smaller amount in case you've hit a daily limit. And always ensure you're on official apps to keep your accounts secure. That's it. You've learned how to transfer from UnionBank to GCash by opening GCash, tapping Cash In, choosing local banks, linking UnionBank if needed, selecting it, entering your amount, and following the prompts until you see the confirmation.